Many businesses still clean their heat exchangers the same way they've been doing for decades. It usually goes something like this. Time to clean the heat exchanger again. Send it to the same old cleaner. Use same old high-pressure water method. Get heat exchanger only 60 to 90% clean. Send heat exchanger back to client. They've been stuck on auto-repeat for decades, thinking everything's okay. But they could be getting far better results and saving money too. Let's flip the script with your heat exchanger center stage. Then ask yourself, what's the most efficient and effective cleaning method? And what else is important to you in this process? Cost effectiveness, environmental impact, better cleaning results, faster turnaround time. Alternative cleaning methods such as thermal cleaning or a combination of other techniques may be a better fit. It's a different way of thinking, but your company can benefit enormously. Times are changing and technology keeps advancing. Your heat exchanger deserves the best cleaning possible. Don't opt for, because that's the way we've always done it. Instead, choose what's best. Everyone will thank you for it.